What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have a Pro Line cake, Colored Tip Serpents. This is from Dominator Pro Line. It is a 25 shot fan cake. The item number is DMX5210. Like I said, it's got 25 shots, lasts 15 seconds. It's got 30 millimeter bore size. Height says 110 to 130 feet. It's got a cool, nice little effect that swirls in the air and then breaks into some pretty colorful effects. So I've always liked this cake, so I wanted to get it on video for you. So this is Colored Tip Serpents 25 shot fan cake, DMX 5210. Let's take it out, see how she looks. There's the red, white, and blue portion.